Equipment deals. We have a 2022 Kubota SVL75-2 non-high flow unit. It's got 422 hours on it, located up here in Roanoke, Texas. Springtown, Texas. It's located in Springtown, Texas. I'm gonna give you a quick little operations video here, let you see this unit work. It's got nothing wrong with it. It's ready to go to work right now. It's just got a few scratches on it. Besides that, it's mechanically and sound in every aspect. So take a look at this video here. As you can see, this unit's clean, ready to go to work, has absolutely zero issues. It performs well. It's a 2-speed unit. Again, low flow, so you can run all your attachments. It's a great little farm machine. If you're going on construction sites or making a rental unit, this would be the perfect ideal size. You don't have to deal with def issues, and it's got no issues with this unit at all. It's probably one of the cleanest 400-hour machines I've ever sold. So give us a call if you're interested. Give us a call at 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS. This unit's located in Springtown, Texas. So give us a call. Thank you.